All right, guys, welcome back. This is my buddy Brendan's wife's Ford Explorer. This thing is a 3.5 liter, and the complaint on it is a check engine light. This one, unlike the Edge, is not stalling out, which is a good sign, I guess. I scanned it already. Okay, so, got you guys turned around so you can see. Try to focus you in here on my scan tool. We are using the Bosch ADS here. We finally got a chance to use this thing for a diag. I'm excited. How about you? Okay, so here's my EVAP purge and vent control. On this screen you can toggle. Okay, right now this truck is at idle. Its purge is 20%. I'm not controlling anything. I'm just toggling through to show you. Engine speed, you can control that, and purge valve, you can control that. Increase or decrease it, okay? What I want to do first is, this thing is purging, so what I want to do is I want to go to the vent valve and I want to close it, and I want to watch my pressure. There it goes. It's dropping, 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 dropping. Okay, let's do this. Let's go to vent valve. Let's go to purge. We're going to toggle that off. Okay, so it's 0%. I'm going to go to vent valve and I'm going to close it again. And it's pulling a vacuum. You see it's starting to, you see my voltage is dropping, my purge is not working. How is it going into, how is it pulling anything here? How's that possible? And right back up. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to go look at our purge valve. I want to see what's going on out there, and I'll take you with me. Alright guys, I got my purge valve right here. I'm going to unplug this. I already did this test off camera, so I'm going to show you guys now. Alright, this thing is commanded off right now. There's no control on this valve, okay? What I did was I set the purge valve control to 0%. Then I unplugged it. So right now, I'm going to show you, because you guys can't obviously feel this. Here's my vacuum gauge. Let me see if I can do it this way so I can show you. I'm only doing this for you guys to show you. Obviously, I can feel the vacuum. I'm going to set the camera up on the gauge right here, or maybe over here. That's better. Okay, so we got a view now, right? See that? Shouldn't be any vacuum there going through this valve. I'm going to tap on it. And what do you know? We have a bad purge valve. All right, so we're going to call the dealer up. We're going to order a purge valve, and we're going to pop it in and get rid of our P0456 here. I just wanted to demonstrate that with the vacuum gauge, because obviously you guys at home aren't going to be able to stick your thumb in there and feel the vacuum, but that proves it right there. We have a valve that's opening, and when it's being opened, it's getting stuck. So there's your leak. Typical, nothing special. I'm sure you've seen the other guys do it a million times, but why not share, right? Let's see what happens when we get this new valve in. So we got our new one. We got our new piece. It comes out. Let's see where we're at. That's you. That's cool. Okay, continue. Vent and close it. Increase the purge. And if you notice now, I'll do it a little more. Notice my voltage now drops, and when I stop purging, it is not jumping right back up, okay? Now, I see that's a fix. This old one here, I don't know if you can see too well, but I'll try to I'm not going to be able to really see that, but this thing looks like it's garbage inside. So as you can see, we're still holding. Now if I toggle out of here, open the vent, she jumps right back up. Alright, so thanks for watching. Hopefully this helps somebody out. And hope you enjoy the video. If you do, like, subscribe, ring the bell. You know the drill. See you guys on the next one. Thanks.